everybody, Anthony with Team Manzon here, and come check out our newest listing, 5260 Beachfront Cove, Unit 210 in the Playa Del Sol community. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 1,700 square feet. Come on in, check it out. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Here we are in my favorite area of the house, the kitchen. 9.5 feet tall ceilings, laminate flooring, quartz countertops, a big island, stainless steel appliances, and of course, the big open concept floor plan. And that's a wrap. If you are interested in seeing this property and would like a private showing, reach out to me today. Anthony Manzon with Coldwell Banker West, and I will be waiting for you. See you soon.